guys, today I'm making garlic king prawn spaghetti. That is the king prawn there. That is my chopped garlic, ginger, a lot of garlic. That is the garlic, one green red chili, my onions, my double cream, and my spaghetti. Now that is the water boiling. I've tipped in a little bit of pinch of salt with olive oil on the hot water boiling. So I'm gonna put my spaghetti in this packet. It says cook for 11 minutes. So I shouldn't exceed 11 minutes to cook this spaghetti. The instruction cooking said cook for 12 minutes. So I'm gonna cook it for 12 minutes, not less than 12 minutes, okay? You follow the instruction when you cook spaghetti. You don't overcook it to become jollof rice. You cook it with the instruction set on the packet. That is how you enjoy your spaghetti. When you eat your spaghetti, you bite it like you are eating rice, not soft. Okay, guys, so the spaghetti is there now. It's in the pot, it's in the fire. So it go in there. Go in there gradually. It goes, it sends himself inside. That is how you cook spaghetti. Guys, that is my healthy butter. So I'm gonna put in my garlic. My garlic goes in there. My ginger goes in there. Then I'm gonna put in my king prawn goes in there. Then throw in my one green chili pepper goes in there. More garlic because I want it to be more like garlicky, you know. Goes in there. So that is frying. A little bit of onions goes in there. So that is frying. While my pasta is cooking, it's on the fire cooking. So I'm gonna put in my flavors, spices that I want. It's just one spices that I'm putting, which is this one, aroma, and paprika. A little bit of paprika goes in there. Then my oregano goes in there. Oregano spice goes in there. Then I'm gonna put in my cream, goes in there. Okay. Then I'm gonna take some water from the pasta that I'm cooking, goes in there. Okay. Water from the pasta. So the sauce for the pasta is ready. So I'm waiting for the pasta to be cooked now. What I did, I put in fresh parsley leaf. That is fresh parsley leaf, black pepper. Then I sprinkle in grated cheese. That is the grated cheese I put in as well. Grated cheese goes in there. Okay. So now I'm gonna tip in my pasta in there. Then I'm gonna mix all together. So my pasta, my garlic king prawn pasta is ready. It's ready, guys. It's ready. This is yummy, healthy, you know, garlicky. It's ready. Look at it. It's all ready. Ready. Mix it properly. It's all ready. It's ready. It's ready. So I'm gonna sprinkle in dry parsley on top, just to garnish it. That is it. It's ready. Done and dusted. That is it. My king prawn garlic pasta is ready. Look at it. Quick dinner, easy to cook, handy to cook, delicious, yummy. Look at that. It's ready to be served. You serve it when it is hot, hot, hot. It's crunchy. You can bite that pasta. You know, it's not soggy pasta.